Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I'm here to show you the card kit reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit, Season of Sentiments. I'll start you off with our brand new Orchid Rose Bouquet 6x8 clear stamp set, and it features a beautifully illustrated large arrangement of flowers that can be used in many ways. It also features several scripted sentiments that you can use for everyday card making. You'll also receive a 3x4 clear stamp set, and this is called Simply Thank You and has several messages in the same font that you can mix and match together for your cards. You'll also receive a pack of Tim Holtz Ideology locks and keys adornments, and these are perfect for Valentine's. Also in this kit is a set of dies. This is Miss You, and it's a two-piece die that cuts all your pieces together. It will come taped together, so you won't have to clip them to separate, so you can do your words and shadow. Another new item that we're including is our single dot runner tape adhesive, which is permanent and refillable. The papers for this kit are from Simple Stories. They are from the Happy Hearts collection. They are 6x8 double-sided papers, and you'll receive 12 in total. There are a mixture of prints from elegant to fun and whimsical. So we have some letters and labels, also a full panel with hugs and kisses surrounded by some flowers, and some elegant flowers on the back on ledger paper. This next sheet is really fun. You can cut out all these elements for cupcakes and cakes, and a message at the bottom, and a nice background on the back side. This is a full sheet of pink roses, and on the back side is pink with navy blue polka dots. This is some sweet hearts, all in mixed colors, and the back side has a peach color ledger. This is a full sheet of a blue background with love written all over and some cassette tapes on the back side. This sheet features all text and some block color in some of the main words, and on the back side is a beautiful rose on white, and a love bug with some balloons that says love, love, love. On the back side of this sheet is some diagonal stripes to coordinate. This is a typewriter that says love you, a really nice large piece, and on the back side is a dark peach with XO. And there's also these panels that you can cut apart with some pink polka dots on the back. And remember, with a 6x8 paper, you can cut those in half to make 2 card fronts. We're also including a Simon Says Stamp pink glitter paper, and this is perfect to use with your die cuts, so you could use your Miss You and either cut out the shadow or the main Miss You message. We're also including 2 A2 envelopes. The first one is mint with a lick it to stick it, and cotton candy with a peel away adhesive. We also have 4 sheets of Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstock. The first is surf blue, then cotton candy, fog, and mint. And to finish out this kit, you'll also receive our red zipper bag. This is a 10 by 12.5-inch bag that can fit all the contents of your card kit, including your full sheets of cardstock. Up next, I have some amazing artwork from some of our designers using the contents of this kit. Cindy Norberg did a no-line watercolor and concentrated the flowers in the upper left with her beautiful message stamped towards the bottom. Susie Plantamera made a slimline card, and she stamped her flowers in black ink and then colored them in, and then outlined everything with a gray marker for added dimension. And finally, Keisha Charles gold embossed her flowers on black cardstock and painted them in with metallic paints for a dramatic look. I hope you've enjoyed this card kit reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit. Be sure to visit our blog for additional inspiration and check out the links in the description box below on how to purchase this kit. Please visit us on all our social media platforms for daily inspiration, and thanks so much for watching.